Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Elizabeth and today I would like to make a small tutorial for you how to do this type of pocket. It is really small and is suitable for a small type of ephemera, but you can do it bigger if you will take a bigger piece of paper. Well, that's pretty much obvious. So as you can see, I have a pocket here. We can also have a pocket here and here. This can be a tuck spot if you glue this place, or imagine this is a journal. You can glue it like that on a page here and it will be a tuck spot, or you can glue it completely as you like and it will be like a floppy thingy. You can also do pocket here if you want, do some decorations, and it will be open like that. Yeah, pretty simple. Or you can just glue it like this to a page and use all the pockets. So, what I used to create this pocket. I used a copy paper, like printable. This is my printable. You can find it in the description box down below. This is from a video where we done a collage masterboard. So the measurements for my piece are 21 centimeter per, well, almost 11.5 centimeters. It's not that important. What is important that you need a rectangular piece, not a square. And the bigger this measurement is, the bigger you will have this pocket. It is also adjustable by these flaps, but it can also actually be a double pocket here and here. But I don't think this is really noticeable here. So yeah. So what can we do at this stage? We need to, I will also put an inches measurements somewhere in the screen. So first of all, we need to find a middle of this piece, but do not press it too much because we don't need to see the fold. We just need it to guide us further. Now, what we need to put this to the middle, well, almost. And here we can actually like put a pressure on the fold, and this one too. So what I did in my prototype, I will show you real quick. I've put this piece over this one, and that is why it is not really centered. It does not bother me, so you can do this too. So put this piece a little bit over this one, yeah, so you can glue it directly on this piece like that. Or what I will try to do now, so I will have my pieces like straight, centered. I will put a small piece of paper, well, maybe not that small, over it, and we'll just glue this piece on a paper, so it will be centered. Let's see. So we need something like this, and we don't need much. Let's say like a centimeter or something like that would be very much enough. Just enough for you to glue the piece on, maybe just a little bit more. So I've realized that you guys really like this, well, not ephemera creating, but creating something for a journal. So that is why I'm trying to do this now. I also really love pockets. I've come up with this one myself. I don't know if someone have already has this idea already, but I haven't searched it because I don't know how to search for this type of things, because, well, there are numerous pockets and you eventually can come up with something similar to someone else's ideas, right? So we're putting just a strip of glue to glue this on. Yeah. And it will be also like additional collage piece for us as well. And now you can glue this one over it. I actually had a problem, like you can see here, also my prototype. I put it over this piece, and it sticks out. You can cut it, but it's easier this way. You can actually use some other piece of collage here. So I think my next video will be about 4 tickets, because you also voted for that video as well. But this will be just a bit longer video, so I decided to do this one first because it is easier, really fast. If you want to do decorations, it's absolutely beginner friendly. No need to for complex things. So what I would like to do now is to ink it just a little bit. You can do it before you glue it, probably would be wiser, but I always do it like that. I prefer not to cut this piece because it will allow us some additional space here, right? You can put other strip of paper here or a washi tape. That's what I will do. I think I will use actually the same washi tape. So just let's use this as our weight. You just put it over this white edge. Do not glue your pocket. So now we have actually reinforced edge and also looking quite beautiful. We won't see much of it, but still some parts, and it will also reinforce our pocket because it is made out of our regular copy paper. You can use scrapbook paper as well, but it will make your pocket just a little bit too bulky, I would say. If you use it like for a happy mail or anything, it would be okay, but for a journal, I think it would be too much. So copy paper is absolutely okay here for that. All right, now what we shall do is to put these flaps to the edge, and you can do it at whatever amount you want, but if you put it too low, you will eventually close this pocket. We don't want that, so we want to bend it, let's say like this, so we will be able to fit something in here, right? And because it's just a copy paper, it bends easily. And let's try to do it at the same level. I hope it's the same level. All right, looking quite good. Now let's ink it as well. As you can see, I'm just using a line, I don't know, plug, how you call it, as my dauber, handle of a dauber. I'm sure it's not plug, but I just cannot come up with the right word right now. I'm sure you will laugh at this plug. All right, we don't need to ink it here. Let's ink it here. So if you use like a printable or something, this paper is already quite beautiful, and we don't need to actually decorate it further because, well, you can, but I think it is quite busy already. But if you use a simpler paper or just a copy paper, regular paper, it is actually a nice idea to decorate it. So now we need to adjust the flap, the tuck spot. I would say something like this would be fine. Now before you glue it on, you can check if you like it. If you like the pocket here, maybe you want to move it a little bit, right? So you can bend it a bit higher, and you will have a bigger amount of space here, right? So it's that easy. And you can glue it by these flaps. Tell me if you have done any like interesting pockets yourself. Maybe you have your own designs and ideas. It is really interesting for me to know. I'm quite sad that this flower is like half, but it's okay. Now making sure everything is glued down. And yeah, this is a ready piece. I think I would like to decorate it just a bit. Maybe put something small here and there. We'll see. Maybe a label or something like that. So we have this, maybe this. Actually, we'll go with the colors quite well. This is too much. Let's see. This is too big, but we'll be fine for these pockets, right? Okay. Now let's take a look here. We can put something like this. Also too big. But actually I would like to cover the center of the paper. Probably like that. Too big. So these are mine 4 postage stamps. You can take a look at the video. I will link it for you and put it somewhere here. What do you think? I'm not sure. Let's see. What if I put this here? I think this is just a bit too much. Yeah, probably. What about this one? So if we put it, let's say, we can actually fold it on the back. I think I like it. Two of the same will be not so interesting. No. No. So maybe something like this. I think I like it actually. And I want something here. Maybe let's search here. Some numbers or stuff. You can also stamp it if you would like, if you have not so busy area in here. We have a label here, which also might work. No. Actually, we can also maybe like do a writing spot here, or like that would be also nice. I actually like it. Let's see, maybe something else here. Maybe without, oh wait, this is too big. I like this one. Let's stick with that. And I also have some stickers, but they're too big, I think. Although I have tickets, that might work, although this is a little bit too much. What do you think? So let me know if you try this pocket and if you would like it. I'm really interested. Maybe something. I actually like the ticket. Maybe we can find something else. Oh, I like it. Yeah, let's do this one and this one here. Maybe this one like that. And this one here and something else here. Quite a simple decoration. So this is a sticker, so it will be easier to glue it, but only one chance. Oh, I like it. It's so bold, but I like it. Now let's see, we don't want it here because it will kind of go to the same line. I think I want it here, and I will bend it, but later. So first putting glue on this side. Not so much to bend, to fold actually. And just like that. Yeah, and maybe this one. It is greenish. You can also fold it. What do you think? I actually like this one, but let's trim this white edge because it's too much of it. I am finally doing a lifetime video because usually I do voiceovers, but now my neighbors stopped their renovation and I finally can record the video without interrupting it too much. So let's see, how do we want to fold it? Maybe we can even trim it, but I think folding would be better. So I'm a little bit silent because I'm focusing. Thank you for your support for my previous videos. Share your comments, please, because I'm really like communicating with you. I'm feeling like I'm talking with myself. Well, that's what I do. But like in the recent videos, you commented more. So yeah, I'm looking forward to you commenting. Like, tell me about your weather, how it is for you there, because for me it's quite cold and we have a lot of snow right now, kind of winter again. So this is finished. Let's see how it fits here. If we haven't closed it, yeah, it fits perfectly, see? And also here and here. This can be a tuck spot or just a flippy floppy. You can also decorate the back. Can we do it now? I think it's quite busy, so I'm actually not gonna do that because there are like a washi tape, sticker, some bubble wrap thingy, book pages, letter, just everything. Yeah, so we can also do it the same way. Just put it over here, right? And we have our, so over here, checking if I'm in the camera, and it flops like that. So this is my finished piece for today. Yeah, short video. This is my first short video, but it's a really quick project. So try it yourself. I think it will be really interesting for you. So as you can see, we put a washi tape here and it goes here as well. So it reinforces this edge too and this edge. You can also put a washi tape here if you want to reinforce this part, but I think it's okay like that. So pocket here, and the last pocket right here. So we have a prototype, which is not really centered because I overlapped this bead, but this one is absolutely centered because we put an additional piece of paper. And yeah, so this is my finished project for today. I hope you liked it. Please put a thumbs up if you do, and tell me in the comments if you tried it yourself. And I see you in my next video. Bye bye.